What I'm going to demonstrate today at the request of one of my friends is this type of a very sort of looking irregular type of a twist, which is actually a modified or simplified version of what we call the pineapple twist, which I'll show you in just a little bit, or talk about at least. So I start off with a piece of, this is 1/2 inch square, and I have a piece in the fire now. Quench the back part of it here so I can get a grip on it with my twisting mechanism. And I'm going to try to take a heat on about roughly 4 inches. It varies whatever you want it to be. I'm going to do my twist. I always do my twist first in a clockwise rotation. And to make it easy on myself, I'm using an air impact. So as you can see, I've done 3 twists, 3 complete rotations on the 1/2 inch square. My next step will be to take, after straightening it a little bit, to flatten it on 4 sides back into the square again. The difference between this and the pineapple twist, when we first start off with the pineapple twist, we would take, and about 4 inches, we would incise down the center of each of the 4 sides, and just a straight line. Do the initial twist, flat, like I'm going to do here next, then incise again on the 4 flat sides, and then untwist as I'm going to do. Now, what is an important factor, a couple of important factors on this, is the number of twists versus the reverse twist, keeping everything nice and sharp, clean, and straight. That's always very important. I am using here my gas forge. I could be using my coal forge. I could be using my induction heater. If I had quite a number of these to do and I wanted them to be somewhat the same, say in a railing of some type, I would use the induction heater. My heat would be much more controlled and it would be much more quick, much more efficient. I could hammer this flat with a hammer and anvil, or again the forging press. I could use any of these other techniques. But what I'm going to do is, again, rely on technology. That these are coming to a point right at the twist. Some of my twists are tighter than others. I did this somewhat intentional so that you can see the difference between the twist and the on-twist in the length that you're doing. I know that there are very many variables that are involved so that you can make this twist to whatever you want it to be in terms of what you think looks really good. Just taking another heat now, and again, as I've indicated, if this were the pineapple twist, we would now be, after this heat, would be incising it again on all 4 sides, putting in the vise, and then reversing the twist. I put in 3 twists, 3 full rotations. I'm going to come back 1.5 rotations. So it's in the ratio of 2 to 1. Sometimes you're better off with a ratio of 3 to 2. You get a completely different pattern. Take it 4, come back 1 in the same distance, and it will be much more defined. So I think this ready. Yeah, I'm gonna take my, cool my end. You always swirl this so that you don't build up steam pops around it when you get it uniform. And now I'm going to come back in the opposite direction. And again, I'm going to come back 1.5 twist. Okay, and we'll come in and take a close-up on this. And you can still see that with the difference in the twist, the tightness of the twist, we have differences in patterns. So take this idea and make it your own. It'll be beautiful and you'll love it.